Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, YouTubers and fellow leather workers and enthusiasts or hobbyists, wherever you are in the world. This is Pushottam & Sons channel, and this is Meher speaking. Thanks for visiting this video, and I hope it's just of some sort of use. It's just an unboxing of the Giardini semi-dense colour box, which was ordered from Italy, directly from the company. So I'm just going to get straight into it. It came in a really good box. It was enough to protect the whole package. As you can see, there's extra padding there. So first of all, I purchased 3 additional items, and that would have been the base coat in dense. That's a 125 milliliter bottle. So that's just for if I make larger projects like bags or rucksacks, then that'll be good to add as a base before applying the colour. Secondly, I have the base coat semi-dense in a 250 milliliter bottle. That's self-explanatory. And then finally, I ordered an extra matte top coat, and it's colourless, as it says. So once I've applied any kind of colour to the edge then of my leather products, then sure enough I can apply this transparent application and get a nice matte finish. So here is the edge paint colour box. Take this out, and there we have it. It's a beautiful hard cardboard iridescent coated finish box, and it's too nice to throw away, to be honest with you. So for now, I guess while I'm waiting for storage, it's good to keep it in here. So opening it up, straight away you can see you have your 10 colours, which is the semi-dense edge paint. You can also get it in dense, but I went for semi-dense because I mostly make small leather goods, so belts and wallets, watch straps, and I do make bags as well, but that's exactly why I bought the dense base coat. So you have 10 colours. You have black, which says for mixing only, but I actually want to speak to Giardini about this, because black is black. I'd imagine I could use it just as a finishing coat, but I'll email them and see what they say about that. Secondly, yellow, green, tan, red. We have violet, white, blue, brown and ochre. And we have 2 roller pens as well, which are really snazzy looking. It has a Giardini logo on there, finished in like a gold plate, I suppose. A second one as well. And we also have these cylinders here, which work in increments of 10 milliliters. So this one goes up to 100, and there's actually 2 of these. Another one there, and then there's a smaller version which goes up to 25. So, and this one also works in increments. Well, this one works in increments of 5, sorry. So these will be used for when measuring certain ratios of colours to make certain colours, and that's going to be the most exciting part for me. So finally, also in the colour box came this chart. I would call it a colour chart. So the best thing that Giardini have done is given the leather worker the ability to create any colour under the sun, pretty much. So there's over 100 colours here, and I'm super excited about this because there's so much I can offer to the consumer, and there won't be any restrictions, and there'll be a lot more flexibility in my productivity, my creativity, and you know, there's not going to be any boundaries as such. And it's just going to make projects more exciting, to be honest. So really excited about that, can't wait for it. The last 2 things that come in the colour box are a mixed colours formula guide and a mixed colours guide as well. So without going into too much detail with these, they're basically just guides and instructions for measuring out the ratios of what colours you want and etc. I would obviously strongly suggest you visit the Giardini website, but here is the chart to give you the ratios of how much to mix whichever colour you want to achieve, obviously using these cylinders and also corresponding the code with the code on here. So it seems very straightforward and simple. Giardini say that the edge paints have 6 months shelf life, 12 months maximum, but I'm optimistic about that and hope that I can get longer out of that. I ordered well, the colour box only comes in 250 milliliter bottles, so I don't believe there's an option on purchasing smaller bottles or larger ones. But if you were to order colours separately, you can, and you can get them in 125 to 250 all the way up to 1,000 milliliters, so there's good options there. There's a wide variety of products you can buy from Giardini, for example metallic finishes, you can buy glitter finishes, there's neon colours as well. There's only a handful of all of those, but you know, again, it just broadens your creativity, I suppose, and how much you want to experiment. So I didn't pay for extra shipping in terms of getting an express parcel shipped here, but it still arrived within 5 working days, I think. So that was really impressive. I live in the United Kingdom, and for it to come from Italy within 5 days, I was very pleased. So I'm not opening these guys up today, just because I don't want to mess around with them and open them before I need them. So once I do, once I've experimented, once I've mixed some colours, then sure enough I'll upload another video and show you the results. And that is pretty much it for now, guys. It's just a very brief unboxing video just to show you exactly what's in the colour box. Giardini have claimed that they supply high-end leather brands with this product. I've spoken to other leather workers who use it and swear by it, so I have no doubts about this product and look forward to use it, and can't wait to get experimenting with it, really. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, then obviously just fire them across, and all the best to you, and I hope this helps a little bit. Thanks for watching.